Hello everyone, this is Chandan and you are watching the learning field. So in this lecture, we are going to solve the CSIR Net June 2025 questions, that is the general aptitude portions of, that is the part A of CSIR Net June 2025 exam. So let's start today's lecture, and before starting I am requesting you to all those who are new in my channel, please give a like to this video, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. And in this video you will get the CSIR Net, GATE and any higher maths exams question solutions, and the all the other videos of related to the higher maths exam. So let's start. So question 1, it says that consider the following statement. What is the statement? Statement 1 says all booklets are manuals. Statement 2 states that all manuals are catalog. If statement 1 and 2 are true, then which of the following conclusion can be conclusively drawn? Fine. So it says that all, suppose booklet means we implies manual. So if we drawn the Venn diagram of this, all booklet are manual. That means suppose this is the booklet and this is manual. Fine. So all booklet implies manual. And statement 2 says that all manuals are catalog. So all manuals implies what? Catalog. That means these all are manuals and implies catalog. So this is the very easy Venn diagram of the above given two statement. Fine. So it says option 1 says that all manuals are booklet. All manuals are booklet. No, is it not true? So this option is not correct. Second one, all catalog are booklet. No, some catalog are booklet, but all catalogs are not booklet. So this is also wrong. So then says that all booklets are catalog. Yes, all booklets are manual and all manuals are catalog. That means all booklet are catalog. That is, this B is inside the C. Okay. So all booklets are catalog. Yes, option 3 is true. And all catalogs are manual. No, some of the catalog may be manuals, but not all catalogs are manual. So option D also correct, incorrect. So that means in these questions, option 3 is the correct one. Next question. So the question 2 says that the given Venn diagram shows the number of players following the playing one or more than one sport. So the percentage of players who play exactly two sports closest to. So this is also a very nice question basis on the Venn diagram. The Venn diagram of the three sports are given in the question. So now, first we find the what are the total number of players. So total players equal to 18 plus 7 plus 24 plus 11 plus 4 plus 8 plus 20, which is equal to 92. Fine. So in the question it says that exactly two sports. So exactly two means first if we show that football plus cricket, this is equal to this one. That means football plus cricket is 7 plus 4. Then cricket plus tennis. This cricket plus tennis, this one portion, this is equal to 8 plus 4. And this portion is football, tennis plus football. This is equal to what? This is equal to 11 plus 4. But this 4 is means what? This 4 means that means football plus tennis plus cricket. This is equal to 4. This 4 person plays all three cricket. All three played actually play. So that means this 4 is not included in our exactly two sports. So exactly two sports number of players equal to what? Exactly two sports play. This is equal to 11 plus 7 plus 8. This is equal to 26. Now, what is the percentage? We have to find the percentage. That means the required percentage. Required percentage equal to what happened? So 26 by total is player is 92 into 100%. Fine. Which is equal to 28.26, nearly equal to 28. Fine. So option 3 is the correct one. And here in the question it says the closest to. Okay. So this is the answer of this question. Question 3 says that the value of the company is measured as the total value of its shares owned by different investors. Fine. Rakesh owns 2 by 5 of the shares of the company. He sells one third of his shares for 75,000. So suppose total share, uh, if this X, then Rakesh's share equal to 2 by 15 of the total share X. And now this is Rakesh's share. He sells one third of his share. So sell how much? So 2x by 15 into one third. And this value is equal to 75,000. Now we can easily calculate the value of x. So goes to 37,500. That means x equal to 37,500 into 45, which is equal to 1687500. And this is very easy. It is 2 is the correct answer of this problem. Option 2. Fine. This is very easy question. Now, question 4 says that a car wheels diameter is 36 millimeter. Let's suppose this is the car wheels and this is the diameter. Okay. And this is 36 centimeter. That means radius equal to what happened? Radius equal to 18 centimeter. Fine. Now, if it runs at 60 kilometer per hour, then the rotation per minute, that means this goes to in 1 hour, this wheel or the car runs at a speed that is in 1 hour goes how many kilometer? 60 kilometer. So 1 hour means 60 minutes. In 60 minutes, it goes 60 into kilometer to, if we convert it to the centimeter, this is equal to, I think, kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter. 10 to the power 5 is centimeter. Fine. In 60 minutes. So that means what is RPM? That means rotation per minute. This what is the perimeter of this actually wheel? Perimeter of wheel. Perimeter of wheel means if in one rotation it goes to the complete perimeter. So if we start from here, then goes to here and come back to this position. Suppose goes to here and one complete rotation means this is its one perimeter distance cover actually. So one its perimeter means 2 pi into 18. This is the perimeter. So 60 minutes, that means in 1 minute, this cover what? How many centimeter? 60 into 10 to the power 5 by 60 centimeter. That means this is equal to 10 to the power 5 centimeter. Fine. So this is the total distance which is covered in 1 minute. Now, how many complete rotation? This implies 10 to the power 5 by RPM equal to rotation per minute by 2 pi into 18. If this divided, then the answer is closest to 884. Fine. So this is the answer of this question, which is equal to option 1. Next question. Question number 5 says that a cylindrical container of radius 20 centimeter was filled with water up to 25 centimeter height. A solid sphere ball of radius 7 centimeter was immersed in the water. What should be the approximate increase of water level in the container after the ball was fully immersed? So this is a suppose cylindrical coordinate, cylindrical jar or container. Fine. Suppose this portion, up to this portion there are water. So this value, that is the water depth or water height, is not required to solve the question. How? So suppose this is something water we have. Now, if the sphere immerses to the water level up, and the water level up, that means the change in water level. Suppose this is the water level change. That means this is the if the volume. Now, how we solve this problem? So this is suppose increase of water. Now this volume of water is equal to the volume of the given sphere. That means radius is 20 centimeter. Na? So what is the increase of this depth? Suppose this is h increased. Okay. Suppose increase in water height equal to h centimeter. That means volume of increase water, this is equal to what? Pi into 20 is the radius square into h cubic centimeter, fine, or semi cube. So this is equal to actually the volume of the solid sphere, which is equal to 4/3 pi, and r means 7 q. So these two are value are equal. That means pi into 20 square into h. This is equal to 4/3 pi 7 q. Fine. So pi goes to cancel out. So h equal to 4 into 7 cube by 3 into 20 square, which is equal to nearly equal to 1.14 if you calculate centimeter. Fine. So the clear cut answer is option 1. Fine. Now the next question. Question number 6 says that the market share and the annual production of scooters of 5 automobile companies PQRST are shown in the graph. So this is the market share. So market share of P is what percentage? 17 percentage. We can just write the values. And Q is 25%. R is what percent? 24%. S, market share of S is 14%, and market share of T is 20%. Fine. And the production of P, this is 80, 100, 120. So this is 80. Production of P is 80, whatever the unit may be. Okay, we don't know it. And Q is 120. Production of Q is 120. Production of R is, this is in between 100 and 120. So this means 110. And production of S equal to what? It's also 80, and production of T equal to it is 100. Okay, so it is 100. Now says that the profit of the company is directly proportional to the ratio of market share and production. So that means profit is proportional to ratio of the market share and production. Fine. So if we write this is equal to some constant, suppose if we take constant k, there is no problem. K equal to 1 we can take. There is no effect of this constant in this problem to solve this problem. Then which one of the following is true? So we can just directly calculate this 5 ratio. Fine. So the profit of P equal to 17, the ratio of this 17 we can directly calculate. 17 by 80, Q is equal to 25 upon 120, R equal to 24 upon 110, S equal to 14 by 80, and E equal to 20 by 100. So this is equal to 0.2. If we just calculate the values, we can get our answer. Fine. So P means this is equal to 0.2125. R means 0.203 Q, or R equal to 0.218, and S is profit of this S is 0.175. Now read the statement. Uh, Statement X says that company T and P have same profit. No, there is all profits are different. Statement Y says that company R has maximum profit. Uh, Company R has maximum. Yes, 218. So this is the maximum profit. Yes, this statement is true. And statement Z says that company AS has minimum profit. Yes, this is 175.175. This is also true. That means Y and Z statement are true. Answer number 3. Option 3. Next. Question number 7. It says that Rahul and his father are started jogging on a circular track of radius r greater than t. Rahul completed one round and stopped. So suppose this is the circular path. Suppose Rahul start from here. Okay, and in this direction he complete one path. Fine. And his father got tried uh, halfway to the first round. So first round half means this portion. And return to the starting point. This is the starting point. Starting point and along a straight line. That means along the straight line. Fine. So what is the ratio of the distance covered by Rahul and his father? So Rahul distance means total diameter. If R is the radius of the circle, then distance of Rahul. This is Rahul. This is equal to what? Total perimeter, that is 2 pi r, and distance of Rahul's father. This is equal to this half circle means pi r plus this diameter is 2r. And we have to find the ratio of Rahul and his father. So ratio equal to 2 pi r by this r into pi plus 2. That is 2 pi by pi plus 2. This is very easy question. Option 2 is the correct answer. Next question. Kavita starts from her house and walks 200 north yard. Fine. So this is suppose north, south, east, west. Turns 45-degree right and walk 70 meter. After that, she turns 90-degree right and walks 70 meter. Which of the following is the closest uh, value to the closest value of the shortest distance between the Kavita's current location and her house? Fine. So suppose this is Kavita starts from here. This is the house and he goes this direction. Fine. Now he takes a 45-degree left. Fine. Suppose this is the 45-degree left he take. Fine. 45-degree. Fine. And now again from here he take as 90-degree left. Sorry, right. 90-degree right. Now he is here. Fine. So yeah, 90, 70, and this is also 70. Na? So 70 and 70. Suppose this is the 90-degree distance. Fine. 70-degree and 70-degree. So now what happened? This is the triangle. So this is 70 meter. This is also 70 meter. If this is 90-degree and these two are equal, then this angle and this angle are, we know, 45-degree and 45-degree. Fine. This happens. Now we have to distance. We have to find the distance between Kavita's current location and her house. That is, we have to find this distance. This is the Kavita's current location. Fine. So now we first find this AB. Since this 70, 70, we can definitely get this distance by using our general trigonometry. So sine, or we can easily calculate sine 45-degree is equal to 170 by suppose this AB. Fine. So AB equal to sine 45-degree means 1 by root 2. AB equal to 70 root 2. So this distance we get 70 root 2. We know this is 200 and we have to find this distance. That is, this is the hypotenuse. So required hypotenuse equal to our required distance. this is equal to root under 200 square plus 70 root 2 square, which is equal to 40000 plus 4900 into 2, which gives us 49800, and the square root of this is nearly equal to 223.15, that is equal to 223 meter. Fine. See, you may tell that sir, that how he from this position, because you take this line, because he goes 70 meter this side and 70 meter this side, so these two equal na, so we can line draw this line very easily. Fine. Now next question. Question number 9 says that the initial monthly salaries of the employees John, Ria, and Sunil were proportional to 4 is to 3 is to 5. After increase of 10,000 monthly of all, the new proportion becomes this. What was the initial salary of Sunil? Suppose their first salary was 4x, 3x, and 5x. After increasing 10,000, this becomes 4x plus 10,000, 3x plus 10,000, and this becomes 5x plus 10,000. Fine. Now the ratio becomes 6 is to, so this means 6, this means 5, this means 7. Take any two ratio, you get our answer. So if we take suppose these two ratio, so 3x plus 10,000 by 5x plus 10,000, this is equal to 5 by 7. So 21x minus 25x, 25x plus 5 into 10,000 is equal to 21x plus 7 into 10,000. That means 4x equal to 2 into 10,000, and this implies x equal to 5,000. That means initial salary of Sunil's initial salary, this is equal to 5 into 5,000, this is equal to 25,000. Answer is option 2. Question number 10. It says that the number of rose, lotus, and marigold, rose, lotus, and marigold plants given in the percentage 8x. Suppose we take 8x, 5x, and 7x. So later 75%, 40%, and 50% more plants in the respective categories are added. What is the new percentage? So after adding, this is 8x into 75 by 100. This is the total after adding this 75% of 8x. So this is equal to 342. So 8x plus 6x, this is equal to 14x after adding. After adding 75% of respective percent, and this means 5x plus 5x into 40%, 40 by 100. So this is equal to 5x plus 2x is equal to 7x after adding, and this is equal to 7x plus 7x into 50%, 50 upon 100, this is 2. So 7x plus 3.5x, this is equal to 10.5x. Therefore new percentage equal to, or new ratio equal to, what happened? 14x is to 7x is to 10.5x. Fine. So this is 10.5. If we just multiply by 2 and divided by x, this is 28, 14, and 21. Now divided by 7, 4 is to 2 is to 3. That means option 2 is the correct one. Next question. 11. What is the unit digit of its unit place of this sum? So this is basically the sum of cube of n natural numbers. We know that the formula sum of cube of n naturals equal to what? N into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. So here n equal to 9. Total 9 natural number is given here. So that means the total sum into equal to 9 into 10 by 2 whole square. So this is equal to 45 into 45, and 5 fives are what? The unit place is 5. 5 fives are 5. So that means we have to find easily the unit place, and these are the ratio. Okay. That means the answer is 5. Next question. Suresh asks Ramesh to identify the person in the photo that the letter is holding. So Ramesh responds. Suresh asks Ramesh. Ramesh respond, I have no brothers. Ramesh respond. That means Ramesh has no brothers. Fine. However, that man's father is my father's son. So Ramesh's father's that man father. Suppose this is the man. That man's father is my father's son. So Ramesh's father's son. Ramesh's father's sons mean who? Ramesh is himself. That means he is the man's father. So it's his father. That means what? This person's father is Ramesh's father's son. That means this man actually Ramesh itself. So what is the required answer? That is, this is Ramesh. This person's father is my father's sons, but there is no brothers. So that means this picture is Ramesh's son. Fine. So this is the answer. Very easy question. This is also. If you can observe this question or read this sentence very carefully, then you have just 10 to 20 seconds to answer this question. Fine. So the picture, the photo is actually the Ramesh's son. Question number 30. It says that three identical semicircles are arranged as shown. What is the diameter of the semicircle? So three identical semicircles are arranged as shown. What is the diameter? That is, we have to find the distance. Suppose this is AB, and this value are given. This is 15, this is 10, this is 15. We have to find the diameter or this distance of this. Suppose, see one thing. This is 15, this is 15. That means this portion and this portion, what? Same portion. This is same and this is also same because this is 10. Now if we go through options, see these two options may not be correct because this is value given. So pi is not the in the answer we pi is not come. This is for sure from the data given in the paper. Now if we take this 20 as our answer, what will happen? So if 20 will take our answer, then since this is 15, so this definitely 5, and this is also definitely 5. This is 15. So this is also what happened? 5 plus 10 plus 5. This is equal to 20. This is also 20. These three distance are 20. Same. That means this may be the correct answer. Now if we go to this option 25, fine. If we take 25 as the diameter, what happened? So if this is 25, then since this is 15, so this definitely 10 unit. Now this is also 15, then this will also definitely 10. That means this is what? 10 plus 10 plus 10, that is diameter is 30. So this is 25, this is 25, but this is 30. This is not occur because it says that they are identical. That means this is also not answer. The correct answer is option 220. Fine. This is the way that you can solve this question very easily. Next question. The number is mistakenly divided by 2 instead of being multiplied by 2. What is the change as the result caused by the mistake? Very easy. Suppose this number we take 10. Fine. So what will happen that you have to do the multiplication, which is 20, but you just divided this by 2. That is, we get answer 5. That means this is our correct answer. Suppose this 20 means our 100%, correct? Fine. So 1 means what? 1 means 100 by 20%. Fine. Now 5 means how many percent? 5 means 100 by 20 into 5%. So that means 25%. So instead of getting 100% answer, we get 25% of the value. That means what is the loss? The loss is 100% minus 25%. This is equal to 75%. It is the required case actually. What is the loss? What is the change of answer in the result? How many percentage? Instead of getting 100%, we get 25%. That means what is the change? 25% change or loss? So this is the answer. Now, question number 15 says that the following diagram represents the relationship between the four categories. The categories could be river, water bodies, ocean, source of evaporation. Source of evaporation, that means uh, actually from water to the third actually जो मतलब स्टेट ऑफ जो होता है ना लिक्विड एंड एक्चुअली वो वेपर इवापोरेशन मीन्स वेपर एक्चुअली so but for the relation between water bodies and evaporation, there is no relationship between water bodies. Water bodies is a living organ or living plant, you can say, a living body, water bodies. But there is no relationship between water bodies and evaporation. And here, if we see the picture, then all the four have uh, at least one relationship, but these two have no relationship. Therefore, we can discard this option. Fine. Similarly, from and parliamentarians, celebrities, elected person, professional. Now, from celebrities and parliamentarian or celebrities or elected persons, there may be relation or there may not be relation because uh, poly, uh, elected person may be a celebrities or celebrities may be an elected person also. Similarly, from the celebrities, celebrities may be professional politician, but may not be, maybe may not be. So there is no actually sentence is not actually 100% correct because uh, in between celebrities and elected person there may be relation, may not be relation, but we don't know that. But here in the picture all four are related or connected, so that means this is also not our answer. See this, if we see this four diagram, then all four are partially connected, but there may be or may not be relationship between the celebrities and the professional politicians or elected person or parliamentarian. Okay, there is relationship between parliamentarian, elected person and professional politician. There may be correct, but there is no relation between celebrities. Now, monkeys, four-leg animals, pet animals, and land animals. Fine. So here also, if we see very carefully, that four-leg animals or pet animals. So pet animals may be four-leg or may not be four-leg. So there is no relationship we can define from the statement. But here all are connected. Okay. But also monkeys may be pet, may not be pet. There is no relationship, maybe, may not be. So we can also discuss this option. So this fourth option is only correct answer because these are very confusing question. Now, if we validate this option for furniture, chair is furniture, some chair is furniture, there is relationship, some, and some furniture that is chair may be seats, some furniture may be seats, some seats may be furniture. There is two-way relationship, but in these three options, there is no two-way relationship. Okay, some one-way relationship over that. So why we discuss these three options. Fine. Now going to next question. Okay. So D3E1, there is no actually intermediate relationship between these three. In code word this, written as this, then this, what is the code word? This is the question. So if we just simply see D means 3, E means 1, L means 5, T means 2, O means 8, I means 9, D means 3. Now, there is no intermediate relationship. Okay. Suppose many of the questions D implies actually 4 because this is the fourth letter of alphabet. But this is not given. E is the fifth alphabet. If we can calculate this 4 minus 1 is 3, then E should be 5 minus 1, which is 4. But this is not given. Therefore, there is don't think so too much about this question. Just answer. So L means what? L means 5. Then O means what? O means 8. Then T means what? T means 2. Then I means what? I means 9. Then again O means again 8. Now, one more letter comes, which is N. N means what? Now, 58298. 58298. These have 58298. These two discard. Now, only 6 and 1 are here given. So here 1 means represent E. That means if we write here 1, that this definitely E, but this is given N. That means N, definitely we can write this 6 as 6. That means the correct answer is option 1, not option 2. If this is 1, that means 1 is here present. 1 means E. That means this should be E, but this is not given. Okay. So that means our answer is option A, 1. Question number 17. It says that sum of the digits of a two-digit number AB is subtracted from the number and the result is divided by 9. Then which of the following is true? So AB is a number 2 digit. That means actually number equal to, we can write 10A plus B. This is the unit position and this is the 10th position. So definitely we can write the number as this one. And sum of digit equal to A plus B. Now subtracted from the number. So 10A plus B minus A plus B. This is equal to 9A. B cancel out. Now always divided by the result will be divided by 9. Then which will be true? So divided by 9 means always A. Fine. Definitely this is not, no. 9A always divided by 9. That is, we get the answer A. So option 1 is the correct answer. Question number 18. This is very nice question. So see how we solve. So a circle of radius 1 unit is divided into 4 quarters and rejoined as shown below. What is the area of this given shape? Very nice question, this one. So how we solve the question? So radius of the circle is given 1 unit. Fine. So now if we draw the circle or draw this one, if we draw an erect square, okay. Fine. Now this is the diameter and radius 1 units means what is the area of this? Now if we join this and this, fine. Suppose this is the circle. Fine. This is the circle. Now this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. If we join these two, then what is the this length? This length is hypotenuse of 1 into 1, that is, this is root 2. This is also root 2. Fine. So that means actually, and this is 1 unit. Fine. This is 1 unit. So actually this is 1 unit means the side of this what square, side of the square is root 2. Fine. So now what is this area? We find what is this area. Now since the radius is equal to 1, therefore the area of the circle equal to 5. Now if we divide this area by 4, then 1 quarter equal to pi by 4. So this, if we cut this one, this is pi by 4. Now what is the area of this? This is total pi by 4 minus we subtract this triangle, and this triangle means this is 1, this is 1. So half into 1 into 1, that is pi by 4 minus half. So this is the area. Fine. So now what is the our answer? So that means this each area equal to pi by 4 minus 2. So from this figure, so root 2 square is the area of the square. Now this is plus, so plus 1 pi by 4 minus half. Fine. This area added, this is subtracted. These two are, just one second. And this area is subtracted from the squares area, and the red two sets are added to the square area. Suppose this is the square. Fine. This definitely a square. So plus 2 plus and 2 minus pi by 4 plus minus half minus half. These two are added, that is this portion and this portion was added, and then minus the blue shaded area. Similar, pi by 4 minus half plus again minus, this is also minus pi by 4 minus half. Fine. So these 4 are actually cancel out, and root 2 square actually, that is 2 is the correct answer. Option 3. Fine. Next question. Question number 19. It says that a stock market trader has lost 2/3 of his investment on a day, and the next day she recovered the 1/3 of the previous day's loss. What fraction of her initial investment is she left with? So what is the loss? Is his loss equal to 2/3? Fine. And 2/3 portion of her investment. Next day he recovered the 1/3 of the previous day. So recovered after one day, this is equal to 1/3. Fine. So this portion is recovered. Now what is the total recovery? Recovery is 1/3 is the of this 2/3 portion. Actually 2 by 9 is recovery. Okay. So his now net worth is what? His total initial investment. If total investment is 1 unit, then 1 unit into 1 unit. So this. Now what fraction of the initial investment? So initial investment equal to, this is after loss he recovered 1/3 plus recovery amount is 2/9. This is equal to 5 by 9 is the answer. Option D. Next question. It says that three friends, Rohman and George and Vibrant Vedant, met after a long time. They were wearing red color, green color, and violet color shirts. Mr. Rohman and the person wearing violet shirts noticed that none of these three wearing a color shirt that starts with the name, same letter with his name. Which one of the following is correct statement? So this is also very easy question. Rohman, then George and Vedant. Three friend and three color. We write red, then what are the colors? Green and violet. But they don't wear same letter name. So Rohman red, no. George green, no. Vedant violet, no. Because these first letter matched. Fine. Now this statement says that uh, Rohman and the person wearing violet. So that means Rohman didn't wearing the violet shirt. That means Rohman wearing green shirt. So violet is so green shirt. Now these two don't didn't read in didn't wear any or wear any green color shirt. That means George green to not possible. So George what? George is red, fine, and oh, no. There is only two possibility comes. Say Vedant is red, this, and George is violet. This is correct. Fine. Mm, hmm. So which option is correct? Also, you can see from this option, Vedant violet, same letter. This is not true. And Rohman red, RR matched. These two options we can discard from the options also. And Rohman green, but Rohman and the person who wearing violet. That means Rohman didn't wear the violet color set. This is also we can discard an option who is the correct answer. So the two method actually we can solve this question using two method. One is this chart method and one is the statement by reading the statement. But I can prefer that we go with this chart option because always the statements are not like that question because the statement may be confusing. So in that case, you definitely use this chart or tabular method this for these types of question. So this is the 20 questions of CSIR June 2025 paper. Okay. So definitely, I think this lecture is definitely helpful for you for your preparation. Okay. So thank you for watching, and those who are new, please subscribe my channel to get this type of videos of higher mathematics. Okay. Thank you.